In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your password on eBay, whether you're updating it for security reasons or simply want something easier to remember. The process is quick and straightforward. Let's dive right in. First, log into your eBay account. Go to ebay.com, enter your username and password, and click Sign In. Once you're signed in and on the homepage, look at the top left corner of the page where your name appears. Hover over it and a drop-down menu will appear. From the menu, select Account Settings. This is where you can manage your personal information, privacy settings, and more. Next, find the section labeled Personal Info and click on Sign In and Security. This will take you to the page where you can manage your login details, including your password. Under the Password section, click Edit. You'll likely be asked to confirm your current password for security verification. Now, enter your new password. Choose one that's both strong and memorable. Ideally, a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Re-enter it in the confirmation field to make sure it matches. Once you've double-checked everything, click Save to update your password. And that's it. Your eBay password has been successfully changed. Remember, regularly updating your password is a smart way to keep your account secure and protect your personal information from unauthorized access. Thanks for watching. I hope this guide helped you feel more confident managing your eBay account safely.